In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show lowercase keys on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see Accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the Accessibility menu, and I continue scrolling down through the list until I reach Keyboards and Typing. When I see it, I tap on Keyboards and Typing, and that takes me into the section where keyboard-related accessibility options are located. Alright, now that I'm here on this screen, I scroll all the way down toward the bottom until I find the option labeled Show Lowercase Keys. Once I see it, I tap the toggle to turn it on. The change applies immediately, so there's nothing else I need to confirm or save. If I ever want to turn it off again, I can just tap the same toggle and switch it back. I pause here for a moment just to make sure the settings stayed enabled and everything looks right. After that, I begin backing out through the menu step by step, heading back toward the main screens. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open Settings, go into Accessibility, tap Keyboards and Typing, scroll to the bottom, and toggle Show Lowercase Keys again. Sometimes I'll stay on the page for a second and scroll slightly just to review the surrounding keyboard options before leaving. It helps me remember where everything is located for next time. If I'm comparing how it behaves, I might switch the toggle once or twice just to see the difference before settling on my final preference. It only takes a moment and confirms everything is set correctly, and that's all there is to it. I mean, you've now seen how to show lowercase keys on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to return and adjust whenever you need.